Nutrition is a critical factor in childhood development, influencing both physical growth and cognitive functioning. During the early years of life, children's bodies and brains are rapidly developing, and the right nutrients are essential for optimal growth. A balanced diet provides the necessary vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats that children need to thrive. Without proper nutrition, children may experience stunted growth, weakened immune systems, and reduced cognitive abilities, which can have lasting effects throughout their lives. One of the most important aspects of nutrition is the intake of macronutrients, such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Proteins are vital for building and repairing tissues, including muscles and organs, while carbohydrates serve as the primary source of energy for physical activities and brain function. Healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, play a crucial role in brain development, enhancing memory and cognitive skills. Failing to provide these essential macronutrients can hinder a child's physical growth and mental development significantly. Micronutrients, including vitamins and minerals, are equally paramount in the nutritional equation. For instance, vitamin D is essential for bone health, helping in the absorption of calcium, while iron is crucial for cognitive development and preventing anemia. Deficiencies in micronutrients can lead to long-term health issues, affecting not only growth but also learning abilities and overall emotional well-being. To promote healthy development, it's important for parents to ensure their children consume a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins. Hydration is another vital aspect of nutrition often overlooked. Adequate fluid intake supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and temperature regulation. Children can easily become dehydrated, particularly if they are active or participating in sports. Encouraging children to drink water and maintaining proper hydration levels can enhance their focus and energy levels, directly impacting their capacity to learn and grow. In conclusion, the influence of nutrition on childhood development is profound and multifaceted. A well-balanced diet not only supports physical growth but also fosters cognitive and emotional well-being. Parents, caregivers, and educators play a crucial role in shaping children's eating habits early on. By promoting nutritious foods and encouraging healthy eating practices, we can help ensure that children grow into healthy, capable adults. The foundation of a child's future starts with the nutritional choices made today, paving the way for success in both their personal and academic lives.